of course, you can see in the news and you can see by looking around you that childhood obesity has become an epidemic. We have an increase of 3,000% in the last couple of decades. Kaiser Permanente looked at 700,000 children with obesity, which they were able to do as a result of electronic medical records. It really is very amazing. And what they found was that 7% of boys and 5.5% of girls had obesity. So it's about 6% of children who had what we call extreme obesity, which is a body mass index of 35% or more. But the easiest way for anyone to think about it is it somebody who's 35% overweight from where they ought to be? That those children actually had a much worse prognosis than children who had less obesity. Working with children with obesity is different than working with adults. But what we try and recommend is that instead of putting your child on a diet, if you have a child who's obese and it's a problem, don't put the child on a diet. Let's allow the child to grow into their weight. And the way to do that is to make some adjustments in a family lifestyle. If you have a child who drinks whole milk and has an obesity problem, maybe that child could drink 2% milk. If you have a child who's forever in front of the television or the computer or the video games, turn off the television. Make some changes in how you as a family cook. Less processed food, more home cooking, just the way it used to be in the old days. We're not trying to steal away treats from people. We're not trying to say that you have to never watch television or computer. What we're trying to say is, look, there are healthy aspects to life and there are unhealthy aspects to life, and we want you to have a good, long life.